So thank you very much, my dear friends, for joining on our online show. Let's talk in English with non-native English speakers. Today we are going to practice one important structure that is called the important function, making request and asking for permission. First of all, we are going to start with making request. Making request means you ask someone to do something for you. Again, I want to repeat, you ask someone to do something for you. Okay, just few seconds ago, Sheikh Akhtar made a request to Amit Arora. Could you please turn off your fan because it's making noise? So who is the doer of the action? Amit Arora. But who make the request? Who made the request? Sheikh Akhtar.
Sheikh Akhtar.
So this is the situation. So I always make requests. Could you please switch off your audio? So who are the doer of the action? You are. But I make the request to do something from you. So this is called I want you to do something. Then you can use this function making request. And it shows your politeness. It shows your manners. Okay, if you say, hey, close the door, it's not good thing. Could you please close the door? Is it clear? Hey, show me the way. Could you please show me the way? So there is a lot of difference between these type two structure. Here also you ask someone to do something for you, but that's a not good way to ask someone. It's a rude language. Okay. So shall we make the polite language or not? Then how? By using can, could, would you mind? Also, would you mind closing the door, please? Would you mind closing the door, please? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now I want to show you some
I
sentences.
would like to do a request, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, would you mind please turn on your video?
Oh, sorry. I forgot. Really, I forgot. Yeah. So now you can see on the screen.
Yes.
Model verbs review request. Do you sometimes travel by bus? So this is a situation can, could, and would. Okay, can, could, and would. Got it? So we
Yes,
can use
sir.
such model auxiliary verbs to start your sentence to make request. Second thing you can see on the screen, here is one example. You can see, would you mind telling me how much?
Sorry.
Sorry, what happened?
Sir,
1 minute, 1 minute. There was a problems. Okay. So this is your exercise, but after 5 minutes or 7 minutes, we are going to complete this exercise. First of all, we are going to do some exercises. Means we are going to practice some more sentences, but here is a problem. I cannot show you something on the screen. Okay, let me try one more time. Okay, yes. Everything is ready now. So keep patience, okay? Keep patience for 1 minute. Hello, Rajkumar ji. Welcome back.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening. So you can see on the screen now. Okay, here are some examples. Can plus could. So could you please, or I can also, you can use. Can you help me carry my bags? Could you tell me when the bus will arrive? Can I borrow your bus map and could I see your ticket, please? Okay, so it's only the practice is going on. And now, very important screen I would like to share now. Yes, here we have so many examples. It might be very small for you, but try to read these examples. Can you see on the screen now?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you give me the book?
Yes, sir.
Can you give me the book?
Yes, you can see.
Same sentence, can you read or not? Could you
Yes,
please
yes, we
take
can
off your
read.
raincoat? Could you please take off your raincoat? Could you please take me to the dentist? Oh, I have a lot of toothache now. Could you please take me to the dentist? Would you mind opening the window for me, please? Would you be kind enough to repair my computer? Do you think you could take me to the supermarket? Could I ask you to take me home? Can you tell me what happened? Would you come to my birthday party? And would it possible for you to come here at 8 p.m.? Got it?
Yes.
And here you can see some answers, how to reply. If you want to accept that request, then you can say, sure, I would be glad to. I would be happy to. I would be happy to help you. Sure, just a moment. No problem. Of course, certainly, all right. And refusing. If you are not able to help someone, then you have to say no. But these are the different way to say no. I'm sorry, I can't help you this time. I'm sorry, but I have to go now. I had loved to, but then you can give the reason why you are not able to help.
Love to.
Sorry to say that, but then you can give the reason. And it sounds great, but then you are also giving the reason, not helping someone else. Okay, so now this is your turn to make 3 different examples of making requests. Okay, so now this is your turn to make some requests. So could you make some sentences now?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start with Piyush Bihar. He always gets chance at last, so today I would like to invite him first. Then Anuj Delhi, be ready. Piyush, please, this is your turn.
Yes,
Could you
sir.
make some sentences first, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My first sentence is, could you open the door for me? And second is, would you mind opening my room, please? And third is, I would grateful if you would help me. And third is, I was hoping I'm today joining.
Okay, so definitely you have prepared something in the afternoon. Means you have done your
Yes,
homework
sir.
today. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But may I know the reason why your camera is off today?
Sir,
Asking.
actually, light is going on.
Okay. So there is power cut. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is no electricity there. That's okay. Amit Arora. Now this is your turn to make some sentences. So Anuj, then Amit Arora. Anuj, Delhi. Will you please make some sentences by using this function making request? Then
Yes,
Amit Arora, be
yes,
ready.
sir. Would you mind make a gap from me? And the second one is could I borrow your pen? Third one is mm, would you bring a glass of water for me? These are 3 sentences, sir.
Yes, very nice. Super. Now Amit Arora.
Hello,
Yeah.
am I audible?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, sir. So my sentences are: could you please tell me how I can improve my communication skill?
Hmm.
Then The second sentence is, would you mind telling me some important books of English language? Third sentence is, may I get your personal number so that I can ask for any question if I have doubt in some questions.
Very nice. I
These
like
are my
your
sentences.
confidence, Amit Darura. I like your confidence. Very good. Super. Okay.
Thanks a lot.
So next is, let me invite some new speakers now. So first I can see Yelanki Polarao from Hyderabad. So I request you, sir, please make some sentences by using this function, making request by using will, can, and could. Yelanki Polarao. Hello, sir. Please make some sentences. So could you please make some sentences now by using this function, making request? Okay, I think he's not ready now. So let me go to new one. Ashwini Uma. So can I request you to make some sentences by using this function, Ashwini Uma? Hello, Ashwini Uma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is your turn to make some sentences by using this function, making request by using will, can, and could. Please try to make some sentences. Yeah.
Could you please help me to find you in Instagram? Can I know your name? Could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, that's all. Rinki Aurangabad. Rinki Aurangabad, now this is your turn. Could you please make some sentences by using this function? This is the first time speakers are not ready to make sentences. Okay, so no problem. Now Sheikh Akhtar, Bihar.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. So, yeah, I would like to request all the friends, can you introduce about yourself? Second, could you arrange something, a productive lesson for speaking? And third, would you like to if I am if I am going to a restaurant, then I would request my friend that would you like to pay for me like this. Thank you.
Okay, very nice, superb. Now Rajkumar, then Sujit, be ready.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. Actually, I want to describe about one recently incident. Currently, I'm staying with my aunt in Kolkata. Actually, she is the government teacher, and nowadays, because of the lockdown, there is no facility. She could not go to the. She could not go for the tuition. Then one day she came to me and she asked me, could you please arrange for me Zoom app? I told yes, I can arrange the Zoom app for you. And I installed the Zoom app in my computer system. After that, I called to his student. Could you provide me? Could you install the Zoom app in your mobile too, so that we are able to continue the classes online? Then she installed the Zoom app, and after some time, she asked me, "Can you? Could you tell me the password, meeting ID and password?" I replied her, and after some time, I asked my aunt, "Could you?" At evening that same day, I asked aunt, I help you in all the way. So could you please prepare for something for me, evening snacks, so that I will feel nice at evening with coffee. She prepared well, and I was very happy. it's all about can, could, would. Thank you, sir,
Okay.
giving me this
So
opportunity.
Mr. Rajkumar has just explained us how did he make some request in his this situation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how does he use these all things in his daily life? Now I would like to go to Sujit, then
Yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir.
Gautam Palmina be ready after that.
Okay. Actually, please forgive me for due to the I'm unable to share my video because here also the electricity has gone due to the heavy rain. So problem is this. Okay, and sorry, please forgive me. And can you please give me permission to speak more in this platform? Could I get a chance to improve my English with the help of your uh, suggestion or improve your whatever the technique you prescribe me. And third is, could you please share me your beginning means what your journey from your graduation to till. I just want to know that journey, how you improve your English. So three things: would, and can. Completed.
Okay. Okay, very nice.
Thank you,
You have
sir.
made nice sentences. Now I would like to go to Gautam Palmina, and he's from Rajasthan. Yes, Gautam Palmina. Now this is your turn to make some sentences. So Gautam, please could you please save our time? Okay, so now he's not answering us. Okay, so now let me go to. Okay, Vicky Aurangabad, have you completed your task?
Hello.
Yeah. Hello, please try to save our time. Gautam,
Gopal, you can speak.
Sir, thank you for giving me opportunity. So my first sentence is that can you please help me? Can you please give me a glass of water? Uh, Next is uh, can you? That's it, sir.
okay, no problem. Okay. Now Vinky Aurangabad. Vinky Aurangabad, then Pankaj Udaipur be ready. Vinky Aurangabad, now this is your turn to make some sentences. Oh my God. Now Pankaj Udaipur. Then Papiya Shah be ready.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My first sentence is, can you please give me your car for some time? Second one is, would you like to join this Zoom meeting every day? Third one is, could you please write your city name on the place of your surname here?
Very nice. Very nice sentences you have made.
Okay,
Yeah, I like your creativity. Okay, you are a nice guy.
My voice is.
Yeah.
Sir, is my voice audible to you?
Yeah. Who is speaking?
It's audible to everyone.
Hello, now Papiya Shah Tripura.
Yes, sir. So, sir, would you like to listen a conversation between two friends?
Yes, sure. You can do
So,
Yeah,
yes,
carry
sir.
on.
So I'm starting. Yes, sir. So there is two friends, Abha and Rupali. They are talking. So Abha, would you like to go with me to the park, Rupali? Rupali, yes, of course. Let's go today evening. Abha, okay. In the evening, they went to the park. Abha, I listened that there is a temple near the park. Rupali, I don't know the way. Let's ask someone. So Abha asked an unknown person, excuse me, sir, could you tell me where the Lakshmi Narayan temple? Unknown person. Yeah, of course. Go straight, then turn left. You will find that. Oh, thank you so much, sir. I was it. So Rupali, so they went for the temple. Then on the way, they saw an ice cream vendor. So Rupali asked the ice cream vendor, "Excuse me, give us 2 chocolate ice cream, please." So the ice cream vendor gave them 2 ice cream. Then she asked the ice cream vendor, "Could you have change, please?" Then the ice cream vendor said, "Yes, I have." And then, yes, sir, that's all. I don't want to make it lengthy because they are all waiting.
Okay, so you have practiced a lot in the afternoon and you have made nice sentences in the conversation way. So very nice. And Ranjana Goswami now, and then Ankan Shah be ready.
Okay, sir. Good evening. So, can you tell me about answering some basic interview question? And can you please send me everyday ID and password Zoom meeting? Can you please iron my clothes? Can I please eat some food? And could I go for summer picnic? Could I borrow your pen, please? And would you mind do this work for me? Would you mind telling me about time management?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
very nice. Okay. So Ankan Shah.
Okay, please.
Yes.
Yeah, Ankan
Can
Shah.
you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Would you mind clicking my photo in your DSLR?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the chance. First sentence, would you help improve my English? Second sentence is, would you think do it? And the third one is, can you tell me where are you from?
So could you tell me where you are from? Okay, not where are you from, where you are from. Okay, could you tell me where you are from? Okay. Arpita Jain and Lakshmi Bora.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Can you please, my first sentence is, can you
Thank you,
please
sir.
turn on the AC? Second one is, would you mind if I ask you something? Third one is, could you prepare food for me? Fourth one, could you bring a glass of water for me? Fifth one, could you help me in improving my English? So that's it.
Okay, so Arpita has prepared like that. She is able to make 100 sentences today. Okay, very nice, very nice. So she has a lot of confidence to make sentences by using this function, making request. So next, Lakshmi Bora.
Yes, sir. My first sentence is, could you give me the water bottle? Could you please bring my mark sheet from my college? Could you please show me the way to the hospital? Would you like to visit Assam? Would you mind clicking photos in your DSLR? That's it.
Okay, now Krishan.
And sir, and the last one, could you please tell me the situation of coronavirus in Gujarat?
Okay, in Gujarat situation is under control. Only Ahmedabad and Surat, these two cities are out of control. So that's why we are worrying. And just before this Zoom meeting, we were talking about with my neighbor. Now situation is out of control. So we are worried about that. Okay. So now
Okay, sir.
Krishan and Smita Bihar. And we have 10 minutes left in this session. We have 10 minutes left in this session. So you can join me again with the same ID and password. So don't leave this Zoom meeting, okay? Yeah, Krishan and Smita Bihar.
Good evening, sir. My first sentence is, could you please show your passport? Could you please switch off the lights? Could you pass this pen for me? And could you please share your email ID?
Okay, so Krishan, are you from Punjab?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have written your name of your state. Okay, now Krishan, Punjab.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next one, Smita Bihar.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. I want to make sentence from each words can, could, and would. Last day, the network was very slow, so I could not attend the class. And once it was a rainy day, so I called my friend, and the line was I cannot hear my friends properly. Then I am talk then I was telling him, can you hear me? And then he replied, yes, I am hearing you. Then I say him, could you take me if you are going to that birthday party? He replied, okay. Then we go to birthday party, and after some times I again told him, would you mind if I use your phone to make a call, because my phone is switched off. And after some times we have dinner, and then we discussed each other, can we leave now? It's too late. That's it, sir.
Okay, very nice. Very nice. Now, Ratesh Punj. Okay, Ratesh Punj, is it your surname or are you from also Punjab? That's why P and J.
Okay, sir. My full name is Ratesh Deepunj, basically, and I am from Amritsar, Punjab. That's right.
Okay, so short name is a Punj, then I can say is a Punjab. No problem.
You can say that. You can say that, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, carry on.
Okay. My first sentence is, can you please cook a meal for me, because I am feeling hungry? And do you mind lending me this book, because I need it for my project? And could you please tell me the website for electronic appliances? And would you please buy me the train ticket, because my card is not working? And last one is, it is quite chilly now. Could you please turn off the AC? Yes, sir, that's all.
Okay. So at last, my dear friend Pankaj Ambe. Okay, Pankaj Ambe, this is your turn at last.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. So my first sentence is, can I use your computer, please? The second one is, can I make me a tea? Make me a cup of tea. And third one is, could you take the dog for a walk? And fourth one is, could you share your mobile
Okay, what happened with your voice? Okay, it's not clear for us. No problem. Now, okay, we have 6 minutes left, and is anybody left in this group? They have not got the chance to make any sentences.
Sir, are you getting my voice?
Yeah. Yeah, Vicky.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. My
yes.
My sentence is, could I get your name? Could be, and to come with me. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Your voice is not clear. But now, is anybody left in this session to? They have not got the chance.
Yes, sir, I didn't get chance.
Okay, Nageshwar Rao.
Nageshwar Rao.
Yeah, Nageshwar Rao.
Yes, sir. And good evening, all of you. So got down the train. I'm at now Himmat Nagar. I'm searching for the address of Wecan Institute. I'm asking some unknown person. Could you please tell me the address of Wecan Institute? Then he said, yes, I know. So that's why I'm again asking him, would you mind please taking me there? Yes, now he took me and now I'm asking him, would you please tell me your good and give your mobile number? Yes, sir. That's it.
Very nice, nice creativity. Okay. So now you can see on the screen something, and this is your exercise, and you have to complete now.
I just want to add something.
Yeah.
So may I?
Yes, definitely.
So I think we should talk about discuss about the use of can, could, and would. So I think can is used for the present tense, and could is used for I think past tense, and would be used for future tense. I think.
Okay,
one should
no.
keep this
Let
in-
me explain. Okay, thank you very much.
No,
Let me explain. Okay, this is different thing. We are talking about model auxiliary. Okay, just listen to me, Sheikh Akhtar. It's very useful for
Yeah,
you. There is no relation between past and present for making requests. You always make requests in the present time. Is it clear? And for the future situation, always a situation in the future time, because you ask someone to do for you. Is it clear? But
Yes.
what is the difference?
It's clear.
Can and okay, would and could both are polite, and can is little bit not polite, but could and would more polite than can. Is it clear? So you can make requests with your friend like, can you shut the door, please? But you are talking with your elder person or when in a respective person, then you have to be more polite. Sir, could you teach that topic again? Is it clear? Would you teach that topic again, please? So there is no relation between present and past. Is it clear? These are the model auxiliaries, Sheikh Akhtar. Now, is there any question about that?
No, sir.
You always make requests in the present time.
Clear.
Yes, sir. Actually, can we are giving the emphasize. Can you do this one? Can you means it's giving emphasis on the sentence. Whatever the sentence you are using, it's making in front of you, whoever there, it's making you to do this work anyhow. But when you are going to the could, if it's giving the politeness, it's a more polite word.
So also,
But
could you
could and would can be.
could you please could you open the door, please, or could you shut the door, please, or would you mind closing the door? Would you mind closing the door? It shows a politeness. Okay, you are asking someone to do something for you, so this is the better way to ask someone to do for you something. Okay, so directly don't order anybody. This is the better way to say something. Okay, could you please? Would you mind? Would you please? Okay, and can you? Got it?
Sir,
Can is for our family and with our friends.
Yeah.
It is,
Yeah.
okay.
Sir, I have a
Could
question.
and would is
Sir, I have a
the
question.
unknown person and others.
Can you
Sir,
say
I have a
something, sir?
question.
Yes, ask me.
Sir,
What
I
is
have a
the
question.
Yeah,
Yes,
you can
yes,
ask
what is
me.
the difference between will and would,
Is
sir?
is could or would used for same place?
Yes, could and would use for same place. Okay, they have different
We can
uses.
use
I will show you next time. Okay, all model auxiliaries have 2 uses, 3 uses. So I'm teaching you like the functions. Okay, I'm not teaching you individual model auxiliaries. I'm teaching you functions. These are called the functions of the language, making request and asking permission. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
So we will have a special session about the model auxiliaries and different uses of model auxiliaries. Okay, can is also used for your ability. And can is also used for making request. Got it?
Yes.
For
Yes.
example, if I ask you, can you read English? So I'm asking about your ability. Okay, but if I want to ask you about your past ability, then could you read English when you were in the primary school? So this time I'm not asking for making request. I'm not making request. Okay, so I'm asking about your past